Hello guys! Very often we need to control AV equipment from a wall panel. Digital company produced cost-effective and easy to set up wall panel WP8. Why it can be interesting for your projects? This is IP configurable panel. You can configure it via web interface from your laptop. Here we have 8 buttons, and on each button we may put one or a series commands. So we may have a very big macro command to control all our system. Except for IP commands, we may send IR and RS-232 commands. The terminal you may find on the side of the panel, so that the end client would identify which function is on each button. Digital did many icons for that and put it in the box. The panel is powered by PoE, and if you want to control your devices only via IP, so you need just one cable. So let's look how it works. We have a setup typical for a meeting room. Wall plate Digital WP8 controls Digital presentation switch PS42. So what does this wall plate can do? We can turn on and turn off TV via CAC commands via HDMI cable that connected to a TV. We can change inputs. Here we have 3 HDMI inputs, but you may have 4 or more depending on your task. We can control volume, make louder, lower, or mute. We have Digital amplifier working for it. Each button has blue and red backlight, so we may use for our task. If you have lighting control in your system, you may turn on and turn off the lights. But of course, your system may have much more options. Let's look at the configuration of the panel. Wall panel Digital WP8 can be easily set up via any web browser. We can give names to our buttons and choose a type of the button. Normal. This is a regular button with one or several commands on it. And toggle, when we put 2 commands on the button. For instance, power on and power off. So when we push this button a few times, the first and then the second command will work. In addition, every press can be accompanied by a color backlight of blue and red colors as a status of the send command. For volume control commands, we can choose a function, hold for repeat. So holding such button will affect this way. The volume will slowly go high or low. To any button, we can assign one or several commands, up to 10 commands, if you need to build a really big macro command. The type of the button can be IP, IR, or RS-232. For each command, you will need to fill all the needed parameters. After we have assigned all needed commands to the buttons, we need to test that all commands are working. In virtual keypad section of the web interface, we can check that all commands work OK. They go directly to the control devices, and you can be sure that all commands successfully work and the equipment reacts correctly. After that, we need to upload a configuration file into the wall panel or save it to your laptop, what I always advise to do. If afterwards you need to upload this file into the wall panel, you will be able to do this in another section of web interface. Besides, you can change IP address of the wall panel and the default password to make it difficult to pick up. For a couple of minutes, I showed to you how quickly and easy it is to configure a wall panel Digital WP8 and use for your projects. Digital wall panel WP8 doesn't require control processor. It is a standalone solution. It will be able to control all AV equipment on your project. Use it in your project and will provide needed technical support.
Yeah.